Edo State government don ready to start talk with Delta State government and other important agencies to settle the wahala wey dey over the ceding of 6 oil wells for Orogo community for Orioma local government area to Delta State by Seplat Energy PLC wey be operator of OML. Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honorable Dennis Idausa wey stand in for Governor Monday Okpebholo meet with the Odion-Werepa Odiase Omorogeva, community leaders and youths. He can commend them for the peaceful way them don't respond since them don't give their resources to another state. The deputy governor later can go see oil wells 1, 4, 7, 6, 5 and 8 where Seplat's general manager of community relations Madam Adiza Gabati show him and them observe drilling and production work. For in talk with Tori people, the deputy governor come explain say in dey there sake of say Governor Okpebholo ask him to meet with Seplat management and make sure say all the important agencies give their support, make sure say royalties go Edo State and also make sure say the people of Edo State get the benefits wey them deserve.
I'm here at the instance of the executive governor of Edo State, distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo, to come in here and meet with the management and staff of Seplat. And we have met with them. They've shown us all the oil wells that are here, and we have also come with the Edo G's, and they've taken the coordinates. We are going to go back knowing fully well that all these assets are in our soil, and we'll invite other relevant agencies to ensure that all the benefits and royalty are given to Edo State from now on.
For in part, Comrade Charles Egage, wey be leader of Orogo community, thank the deputy governor and Okpebholo-led government, say the community still believe for the leadership of the administration.
Today is a happy day for me, and it's a happy day for the entire Edo State and Orogo community at large. And I have no doubt this fight started since 2014, and we fight and we go back, and we have to come out again because the governor and the deputy is people that will believe he will do the right thing. So for me, I don't have much to say because I know how serious they are.
For this waka, the deputy governor not go alone. In there with the deputy chief of staff Honorable Pius Alile and the special advisor on oil and gas Felix Osewenge Isere for the fact-finding mission. Make una no forget say, as we see him, na so we dey talk am. We not the take blame. Ekata Ojisele, TMC News.